How are you all? Good. Very good. Okay. So today is which day? Once again I am asking you, which day is today? Yes, today we are celebrating Christmas, and Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes. So someone tell me, who comes on Christmas? Yes, Santa comes on Christmas with many gifts for us. Do you all want the gift? Okay, but for that you have to learn the essay today. Yes, are you all ready? Come on, let's start and learn the essay on Christmas. Okay? Yes, see, when is Christmas celebrated? Do you all know? No? Okay, come on, tell me. Okay, so today I am going to tell you, when do we celebrate Christmas? Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. Repeat after me. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. Once again, you all have to say it with me. Okay? Come on, start. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. Okay? Slowly you have to speak very nicely and in a complete sentence. Okay? Yes, what is there on Christmas? Yes, Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born. So it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes, it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Repeat after me and you all have to say it with me. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes. Then see, what is this? Do you all know? Yes, it is a Christmas tree. So nicely it is decorated. Yes, see, many gifts are kept over here. Yes, all the decoration is done. Yes, so Christmas tree is decorated at home. Everyone decorates Christmas tree at home. Yes, on Christmas. Yes, so the next point is, Christmas tree is decorated at home. Come on, repeat. Christmas tree is decorated at home. Yes. Then next one. See what they are doing. They are singing. Yes, what they are singing? Do you all know? Carols. Yes, they are singing carols. So the next point is, we sing Christmas carols. What do we do on Christmas? Yes, we sing Christmas carols. Repeat. Come on, repeat after me. We sing Christmas carols. Oh, who is here? And what has he brought? Yes, he is Santa Claus. And what has Santa brought for us? Gifts. Yes. So, Santa Claus offers gifts to children. Come on, repeat. Santa Claus offers gifts to children. What does Santa bring? Santa brings gifts for the children like you all. Yes. Last point is, Santa Claus offers gifts to children. Yes. Did you all see the points? Yes. Did you all get it? So once again we will say whole essay together. Okay. Are you all ready? Come on. Essay on Christmas. How you will start? Directly? No. You have to say essay on Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. Come on. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. After that, it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Come on. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. The next point is, Christmas tree is decorated at home. Come on, you all have to say. Christmas tree is decorated at home. The next one, we sing Christmas carols. We sing Christmas carols. And the last point is, Santa Claus offers gifts to children. Repeat. Santa Claus offers gifts to children. Now the last time we will say the whole essay together. Okay? Come on. Essay on Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes. Next one is Christmas tree is decorated at home. Then we sing Christmas carols. Santa Claus offers gifts to children. Yes, children, did you all understand? And you all have to repeat all the points, learn it properly and say the complete essay. Okay, learn it properly. Till then, take care. Bye. Merry Christmas.